Your most accurate forecast from the First Coast News Weather Team, sponsored by AC Designs.
Well, they say hindsight is about the closest thing to 2020, at least when it comes to weather. So I'm going to spend a little time with the numbers and then we'll get on to the forecast. Certainly, I think we can see why today we consider this to be the transition day. Chilly this morning, well below average. Afternoon high, despite the clouds, about average for this time of the year. But I wanted to put the last 5 days into perspective, as cold as it was. And I suspect by the time the winter's over, we're going to say the last 5 days were the coldest of the winter. We only had officially 2 freezes. We didn't officially even have a hard freeze, and none of the temperatures were even close to record levels. As an example, no doubt about it, inland areas this morning chilly, 34 degrees. But look at the record back in 1985. I remember that. Maybe some of you do as well. 16 degrees the day before in 1985. The temperatures dropped to 7. The city council was actually considering budgeting money for the palmetto trees because for a while folks thought they were dead. But you know those palmetto palms, they came on back. But now we're heading the other way with warmer temperatures. That also means more moisture. The next front, though, is going to take its time, and that's significant as far as when the clouds start to become productive. Number one, this front coming at us from the west, Texas, not from the north, the polar regions. And number two, it's moving slowly because storm systems will develop and move to the northeast. So again, they're going to throw a lot of clouds our way. There'll occasionally be some sprinkles and some showers, but the main event will not happen until that front pushes through, and that's going to be over the weekend. So on Tuesday, despite the clouds, the warming continues. Because the warming is going to be so significant over those chillier ocean waters, surf temperature, dropped all the way down to 55 invigorating degrees. That means sea fog is going to become more of an issue. Of course, that'll be near the river and the beaches. Inland, not a big deal. Despite the clouds on Wednesday, 74 degrees. A few showers around on Thursday, 77 degrees. 60% of us may have some showers and thunderstorms on Friday, but we'll also have some sun and southerly winds. And temperatures going to 80 degrees, 77 on Saturday. Wouldn't be surprised if maybe a little pre-spring fever starts to break out. Now notice the front will weaken, so it looks like the most widespread showers and thunderstorms Friday, and cooler, not necessarily colder, by early next week.